Hey there, it's Shay here, and in today's video, I want to show you something super unique to make money online. Maybe you have been looking for ways to make money online and you haven't made your first dollar yet, or maybe you are making a little bit of money already, but you are trying to get to that next level. This is exactly what I help my students with on a daily basis, and just the other day I showed my students a brand new campaign that I only, again, just recently started a few days ago and is already making over $250 a day in just one network. And I mean, at this stage I work with multiple networks, I would say over 5 or 6 at this point. But in today's video, I just wanted to focus in on one of my main networks that I recently just started a new campaign in. So I'm just going to jump into that right here, as you can see. And before I even set the dates right and get the campaign ready, it's just defaulted to the last 3 days as it usually does. But just a quick pointer, I want to point out the unique thing that I'm showing you is making money with clicks. Yes, that's right. I'm actually making money by just generating clicks alone. I'm not generating leads. I'm not making sales or anything like that. I get paid for just generating clicks. And yes, it may sound a little odd, but as I go through this, it will hopefully make a little more sense for you. Alright, so it's just on the last 3 days. Today we're in May right now, and today is the 11th. I'm just going to go back to the day that I really started it. So back to the 8th of May. So that's set already, and I just want to expand out these campaigns. I'll just focus on these three campaigns or offers within this single network alone. As I said, I have around 6 or so that I actually work with right now. But as you can see, the date right here, so from the 8th to the 11th, today, we're only around halfway through today as well. So as you can see clearly, to point out that I'm getting paid for clicks, you'll see 100% conversion, okay, across the board here. So 105 clicks generated in this network, in this offer right here so far, and 105 sales. So really this is just, sales can mean actually, yes, sales or leads or just whatever you are converting on, but in my case the sales is really clicks for me, okay, because usually if you are converting at say 10%, alright, and you generate 100 clicks, you would have 10 sales or 10 leads. But as you can see, I've got 105 clicks and matching 105 over here on the sales column. So that's what I'm actually getting paid for. I'm getting paid directly for the clicks themselves. So today so far in this offer, I'm getting paid 42 cents per click. On this offer, I'm getting paid $1.01 per click, and it's even gone as high as $2.03 on a couple days ago, $1.90 on this one per click for $153 made there. In this one, $119 made, and I expanded out this campaign as well just to show you the difference. As you can see, they generated around 300 clicks each. Alright, so I actually sent, around 900 clicks total, and basically within this one network I'm rotating multiple different offers, and that's why these 3 are highlighted. But as you can see, this one here down the bottom here, it actually only made $40 or so, okay, so it's really not paying compared to these 2, and I'm definitely going to be stopping this one today, because it doesn't look like it's really going to pick up a great deal so far. So it's best, again, as a marketer, this is just normal stuff that you do on a daily basis. So I'm going to focus on these 2 up the top here for now. And of course, every time I show these kinds of campaigns to people, they're always curious how I'm even doing this. How am I getting paid for just generating clicks? Because if they are experienced, they may have heard of getting paid for clicks, but they've never experienced it for themselves, and they just don't know how to do it. And I help them out with that and really get them moving in the right direction. This is what I do for my students every single day. And you know what? Maybe you are curious how I'm doing this as well. And if you want to know how in the world I'm getting paid for just generating clicks like this, again, this is just one of my networks. Okay, so this network is already generating around $250 a day. I only just started it. And I have multiple other networks that make around the same amount of money or more every single day. So again, if you want to know how I am doing this, you want to be able to run campaigns just like this for yourself, and you are serious, then I can show you. But you have to take action right now while I have this thing open. So all you have to do is click the link at the top of the description. Do that right now. So just click the link at the top. It'll just be a quick, short bit.ly link so you can get straight over to my site. As soon as you are on my site, all you have to do is enter in your best email address. Alright, and I'm just showing you here how to do that as well. Alright, so just enter in your email address there and click the Get Access button here. So do those couple steps straight away, and then there's just one more important thing to do, and that is to go check your email. Alright, so the email address that you just typed in and entered on my site, go check that inbox. Alright, go look for my email. I'm going to send you a welcome email from me, and it's going to contain all the information that you need to get started today. So go take advantage of this right now. If you have any questions, just reply to my welcome email and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll work with you really soon.